Did you need money? Make and sell this rich dessert. In a container, add 395 grams of condensed milk, 400 grams of sour cream, 1 packet of 25 grams of juice powder. Here I'm using the pineapple flavor, but it may be the flavor of your choice. Now it's just a matter of moving everything very well. And as soon as it starts to thicken, it's already at the ideal point. We are going to take 200 ml pots, but it can be whatever size you want. I just advise you that if you are going to make it for sale, use smaller pots to yield more. It's ready, and now just take it to the fridge. In a saucepan, add 400 grams of heavy cream, 5 tablespoons of powdered chocolate. Now just keep mixing. This is the ideal consistency. You can now turn off the fire. Here I put the chocolate in a container with a spout and just add it to our pot. And for that special touch, add chocolate sprinkles. With your own hand, spread the granules. And then just take it to the refrigerator and leave it for 30 minutes. And look how beautiful this dessert is. You can't resist. Do it at your house for sale or for your own consumption. I hope you enjoyed. This was another little recipe from the Pooh in the Kitchen. That strong hug until the next time, and thanks for watching.